hapon, basketball fans, and we're live here at the AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026 here at the Davao City Recreational Center, formerly known as the Almendras Gym. And this is our semi-finals of the top number 1 team ng Group A versus the number 3 team ng Group B. And this is the game between the Philippine Navy, the Naval Forces Eastern Mindanao versus the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group CIDG NSU. So kauban nato karon hapon isa sa mga iladong coach sa Davao City, at the same time isa sa atong mga boss sa RMJ Sports Events. Walang iba si Coach Wawa Lamano. Mayong hapon si mga coach.
Yes, mayong hapon Chris, no, and welcome sa ating AFP PNP Invitational Basketball. Again, this is the semi-final, so this will be an exciting game, and I'm very excited, no, to be with you covering this first game.
Yes, that's right. And mga amigo, maiga, daghang salamat kayo sa pagtalang sa among Facebook page sa atong live. Please like and share po sa atong Facebook ang Madiao Sports Davao. And kung gusto mo tanaw, pwede kayo mo maapas diri. Free admission ng atong venue, ang Almendras Gym. So, may duha ta ka game karon, kini atong first game, number 1 team versus number 3 team. So, very exciting ball game na to, Coach Wawa, especially in Philippine Navy. No one expecting them to be the number 1 team, undefeated sa eliminations, dominating all their games, and including their last game against the Philippine Coast Guard.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Chris, no, as far as I know, no, last year's AFP PNP itong Navy team is it at the bottom, no, sa standing, but now they are the number 1 and they are team to beat in this semi-final round for this first game this afternoon.
Yes, courtesy yan ng mga bagong players nila, Coach Rock. Sabi nga nila, ito to yung parang Philippine team ng Philippine Navy. Wow! So, nandyan yung mga players nila. So, makikilala natin sila mamaya. At saka naman, ito naman NSU CIDG. Last year, they are one of the middle teams. They played great last season. This year, medyo shaky start sila, Coach for first games, talo sila, and then panalo. And then, nung quarterfinals game, against the number 2 team ng bracket nila, against Philippine Army, they were able to steal that game in the last quarter. Especially yung main guys nila, si Rob Palomares, si Colina, at saka itong guard nila na dalawang big 3 points, itong si Tapia.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Coach Chris, because I can see a lot of veteran player, no, dito sa kabilang team playing for the NSU, CIDG, HPG, no, like this Rob Palomares, as you said a while ago, no, leading the charge. And as we can see also here, itong si Husol, no, has been Luka Doncic ng Davao City. No, he's leading as the point guard and as the team captain for the team. Itong si the big man nila, number 20, Bruno, no, has been a mobile center. And also yung coach nila, veteran coach, Coach Anil Bitoy, would always had a game adjustment. That's the reason why they won their last game.
And tama ka, Coach, yung tama talaga yung explanation mo, Coach, yung adjustment nila throughout the game. Kasi Philippine Army did great first 3 quarters. Kaso medyo nung nag-adjust na si Coach Bitoy, especially ng man-to-man defense, kinapos bigla sa hangin yung Philippine Army. So sabi ko sa kanila, ito kasi NSU, ang game plan nila is that they managing the minutes of Rob Palomares, si Bruno, even si Sherwin Dries, yung mga sabihin natin veterans nila, Coach Rock, hindi nila pinoforce na magstay sa court kung hindi kaya. Yun, kaya press sila from the last 2 minutes na yun, Rob Palomares take over that ball game.
Yes, so I can see here it's gonna be an exciting ball game between these two teams. A team that's full of veterans, full of famous players in Davao City, which is itong NSU, CIDG, HPG, or WSU against this new faces from the Naval Force Eastern Mindanao, Chris.
Yes, especially yung papasok nila yung main 5 nila, yan, naiwan sa, yung 6, yung 6, bagong players nila yan. Yan si Fabian, parang sinasabi ko Stephen Curry kung tumira yan, Coach Wawa, yan, sila jersey number 31. Meron pa silang napakalaking sentro, si Unstoppable, si Antonares, ito, si Bigaso, 4 na pwedeng sentro. At saka, hindi lang siya sentro, Coach Rock. Napaka-agile. Parang pwedeng dumaktak. So, ganyan ka-improve ang lineup ng Philippine Navy. And it was really a shocker for all the teams. So, yeah, exciting ako ng ball game na ito. Can the veterans, with their playing management adjustments, can able to contain the young guns of the Philippine Navy.
Yes, and because of that, no, meron tayong gusto lang ipa-shoutout from the team Naval Force Eastern Mindanao. Gusto nila i-shoutout itong si Captain Melvin Capro, no? Also Commander Naval Installation and Facilities Eastern Mindanao. And happy birthday itong si LCDR Medel Bautista, no? Also kay Captain Attorney Denise Christine Lim, ayan, from the Damal Force Eastern Mindanao.
Yes, shoutout din sa inyo mga idol. So, by the way, mga kaibigan ang mga game na dito, labanan po to ng mga heroes natin dito sa lungsod ng Davao.
Yes, exactly.
And not just lungsod ng Davao, in the entire Region 11. Kasi ito po, mga nagbabantay po to sa ating karagatan, itong Philippine Navy. Namantala, ito namang NSUCADG. Nagbabantay ng ating mga highway. Isa yung mga pulis natin, yung pag tumayo, walang lumulusot na motor.
Ayan, that's correct, no? These players are the heroes here in Mindanao, and this is initiated by our City Mayor's office, Mayor Sebastian Duterte, no?
Yan. And isalo din nato ang atong Commissioner Coach Ba kasi dili ni siya possible ng liga without our head sa atong Rodeo Sports Davao, si Commissioner Pong Escobal,
Yes.
si League Director Mickey Dihita, si Sir Miggy Solitaria.
Yes, these guys doing a great job having this kind of tournament, no? So maraming salamat, no, sa ating commissioner, si Pong Escobal again, the league director, no, Mickey Dihita, and also the rest of the guys, Sir Mino, and Ma'am Donna, no, all the staff, no, especially also this is officiated by the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, or the SBP.
Yes. So, David, daghang kitag mga sporting event diri sa Davao, Coach Wara. Alex, sa una, no? Itong panahon nato, panahon ni mo sa una na pick pata na
Exactly.
halos maglukusta, mangita og dulaan na liga.
Yes, and these heroes are very excited and very pumped up, especially na nag-declare na si BP Sara tatakbong na presidente.
I hope so na manalo si BP Sara. So anyways, dito na yung starting five ng NSUCIDG. Ito, veteran lineup talaga yung lineup nila dito. Itong si Salibay, along with Tabat, Colina, Palomares, at ito si Nabor. And mantala for the Philippine Navy, we have Antonares, Bermudez, Begaso, Avellana, and itong si Fabian. So, ito again for the NCCDG, Cautivo, Nabor, Colina, Palomares, Salibay. So, Coach Wa, ito, great matchup ito kaagad for Palomares and Bigaso and Antonares Can they stop itong Antonares, Bigaso lineup in the middle? Ito yung magiging problema. Nakita ko pa NCCIDG, especially si Colina and Palomares na they need to really play big here. Not just be big, really big, Coach Rock. Coach Wa.
Yes, and I know these both teams would be aggressive both offense and defense because this is a knockout game, no? Pag natalo, wala na. They will be going for the fighting for third. Pag nanalo, they'll make advance in the finals this coming Thursday.
And ito, early rebound si for Antonares but loses the ball yun. Ako, mukhang nasaktan dun si Kalahina yung hamstring niya. Ito, Antonares!
First points for Antonares, yung sabi mo nga, yung go-to guy nitong Navy.
And he's not just a big guy, Coach Rock. Para siyang si Incredible Hulk na may sigla ni Spider-Man. Nakapakalakas tumalon yan, Coach Wa.
Exactly. And that Colina with that perimeter jumper that corner.
Yes. Ito yung parang sa NSUCIDD this season. Ito si Colina. Siya talagang bumubuhat. He's being consistent scoring Yung siguro inconsistent na siguro niya Coach Rock, kailangan niya improve talaga yung free throw shooting niya kasi minsan siguro sa 10 free throws na binibitawan niya, 5 lang minsan or 4 na pumapasok.
Exactly, and that was a good jumper for Rob Palomares. Ayan, yung mga starters ng mga key players ng NSU CIDG nagpaparamdam na Colina and Palomares for the first 2 basket in the ball game.
Yes, that's his signature jump shot, yung si Rob Palomares, Mr. Automatic. Yan sa mid-range.
Yes, at the starting officer pala itong si Sir Nabong, no?
Oh, yeah.
For NSU CIDG.
So, it's with 8 minutes and 43 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Philippine Navy, great job dito for NSU. Pigaso, kick out pass to Avellana. For 3, nothing there. So ito, medyo maraming tira si Avellana dito. 2 minutes yan for Avellana. So balik ang bola dito for the NSU CIDG, Salibay. Inside pass to Palomares. Eh naku, naubusan siya ng espasyo.
Yes, it was a good intention but yung pasa medyo sumobra. And let's take a look at that assist by Nabor to Palomares.
Yan, nothing but net yan for Rob Palomares.
Yes, Palomares is what we call the Kevin Love ng Davao.
Yes, tama-tama talaga Coach Rock. Eh naku.
What a nice play on that scenario, giving an open look itong number 42 ng Naval, itong si
Benny Bigaso.
yes, Bigaso, Benidel Bigaso, and giving 2 throws on the line.
Yes. Ito yung dapat i-secure ng dito ng NSCDG. They need to make sure na mamamark up itong si Antonares and Bigaso kasi isa rebounding machine. Coach Wawa, itong si Benny Bigaso at saka si Rocky Antonares.
Yes, they were the 2 towers, no? For
Yes.
the Naval Force.
And
Ayan.
they are not just tall Coach Rock, Coach Wawa, kasi tumatalon yung dalawang yan.
Yes.
Di mo na just standing na like using his body. They are really using their body and jumping. So,
and also the strength, no?
yes. Ikaw ba naman, Coach Rock? Barko yung tinutulak ko dun.
Barko yung binibit-bit at
Yes.
tulak. Nako po. Here comes 17.
So, Salibay.
Salibay asking for a pick. Salibay. Nothing there.
So, great defense there by Philippine. Ako, bad pass. Colina with the steal. And blocked by Antonares. And ito, Rob Palomares.
At tough defense right there by Antonares, no? Not giving up on that fast break. Hinabol talaga sa ire.
Medyo relax doon ng kakampi ni Antonares. Kaya wala nag-mark doon kay Palomares. But this Navy team, ito slow start din sila ngayon, but they can't do this all the time. Kasi baka mag-init to si Palomares. Ako, block mo yung Antonares. Kita mo, Coach Wawa?
Yes, 2 consecutive blocks right there from Antonares. So he's really not only a monster in the offense but also in defense.
Yes, he's the instant replay. Yun, minabol talaga ni Antonares. Yung block. Ito, yung clean up dito ni Rob Palomares for the easy 2.
Yes, Palomares saved the day, not giving up on that offensive possession. Nakita niya that na-block yung bola, but still, presence of mind pa rin to kunin yung bola to have that putback.
Yes. Ito, with 6 minutes 56 seconds, Fabian, step and carry shot. Mintis pa kay Fabian. Ito, Tapia, pass ito kay Mr. Nabor. Balik kay Tapia, the hero last game. Pasok yan for Tapia.
Yes, what a good shot right there for Napia, but Sir Nabor, what an IQ, no? Not forcing the issue, no? Pag alam niya, naka-establish yung depensa, waiting for Tapia to have that open look and pass the ball, and ayun, pumasok yung kanang jump shot. Another fast break for CIDG, yes.
Great job there by LSU CIDG. Putting offense and defense against the Philippine Navy. They're making a statement here early, Coach Wawa.
Yes, take a look at that replay. That's what I said a while ago. Nabor has that IQ, not forcing the issue. After that, pulling back, find the open man, and yun, na-shoot ni Talipay. And here comes Tabat, no? I remember this guy who played in the UIC during in high school and college days, and is one of the key player for the University of Immaculate Conception.
Yes, that's our. So, mabalik tayo after a short break. Pakilipas na isang saglit.
back to the ball game, and as you can see, the Tabat, no, who made this last shot, as I've said earlier, this is a veteran player, no, because experiencado dito pagdating ng basketball for his high school, college career. He played in the Immaculate of Conception in Davao.
Ay nako, medyo early foul there. Skolon Colina, ito na. Nagsisimula na Kuswa. Ito na yung mga seal. Ito na, bumalik na dito yung main man talaga nila, Kuswa. Ito yung jersey number 23. Tinatawag ko yung LeBron James. Kuswa kasi, he will defend, he will shoot, he will pass. This guy can do everything sa basketball. Ito si Dalatin.
Yeah, that's why pinasok na nila, no? Because they were trailing by 7 right now. And speaking of LeBron James na sinasabi mo, ayan, patawa-tawa lang. It's so easy for him.
Yes. Ito si Rocky Antonares. Ito LeBron James number 23, si Dalatin. Ito, sisimula na magseryoso dito ang Philippine Navy. Ito, Tapia for 3. The short. Antonares with the rebound. Kita ito kay LeBron James. Enteng Dalatin. Paasa dito kay Puno. Naku, nabitawan. Tabat. Nakawala dito. 3 against 2. Tabat, stop up. 3-pointer. Nothing there. And rebound na naman by Antonares. 4 pass dito kay Enteng Dalatan. Bigay ito kay Vigaso. Vigaso pass dito kay Bermudez for 2.
What a great pass right there from Velasco to Bermudez. And coming up a timeout, it's a 4-0 run, and that's why Coach Nilo Bitoy wants to cut the momentum. That's why he called the timeout.
So he's the instant replay here at Picasso. Jumper from a teamwork pass by the Philippine Navy. Yan, ganda ng setup doon ni Picasso kay Bermudez. So magbabalik tayo after a short break. So we're back to our ball game with 5 minutes and 18 seconds remains sa ating opening quarter. Ito, naku, body na naman dito. Rob Palomares, naku, na-baby yung tira. Ball is stop. Kuha ni Enteng Dalatin. What a pass sana doon for kay Bigaso, but stolen here by Tabat. Tapia. What a crossover move. Eh, naku. Sumabit doon si Enteng Dalatin. And there's a foul.
Second team foul for Navy. 17 seconds to shoot, 17 seconds. 5 minutes.
So 17 seconds to shoot.
It's a turnover right there for the CADG. What a great defense from the Navy.
So, yeah, 4 minutes and 52 seconds remaining sa ating opening period. Naku, andyan na naman yung seal. 2 beses na nakuhaan na ng foul itong si Colina. Naku, it's too easy for them to seal itong si Colina, itong si Antonares Kutsuawa.
Yes, ang ganda ng ball positioning right there. Itong number 23, Thiago. Oh no, it's a
Si Antonares, number 28.
Antonares, no? Number 28, no? Napakaganda kanyang seal sa ilalim. And good recognition also for the point guard, itong Bermudez.
So that's really their game plan even the start of this tournament, itong si Antonares. Yung seal niya, Coach laging yan yung nagbibigay ng kanilang mga open teammates na kasi minsan kailangan siyang double team o triple team sa ilalim. Yun, na-open yung mga outside shots ng Philippine Navy.
Yes, ang ganda rin ng kanyang positioning sa ilalim,
Yes.
no?
And also, he's a good free throw shooter ito si Antonares.
Yes, Antonares wearing jersey number 29, Rocky Antonares. While on the other hand, here comes the CADG settling the play.
So, Tapia for 3, nothing there. And Colina gets the offensive board. Colina, great job there by Antonares defending. Balik kay Colina, jumper. And that's a miss. And Bermudez with the rebound. Ito na, binay dito kay Enteng Dalatin, who is still not yet scoring in this ball game. Crossover, jumper, and that's good!
What a great shot right there for the Latin, no? So simple.
Basketball.
Yes.
Grabe yung jump shot, Coach Wawa, no? Yung crossover, ha?
Yeah, behind the back, napakasimple lang gawin sa kanya.
Ito, kakaitan rin dito si Colina at si Antonares.
And as you can see, lamang na ngayon itong Navy, no?
Ito si Antonares, ha? Challenging si Colina to shoot the jumpers. And ako, medyo sloppy yung mga Philippine Navy dito, ha? Sa kanilang mga entry pass.
Yes, sayang yun, no? It's good opportunity to lead, again, to extend their lead. In the ball game, sayang, medyo hindi lang catch yung bola,
Yes,
no?
and ito yung instant replay here. The basic crossover jumper there by Enteng Dalaten. The LeBron James of the Philippine Navy.
Grabe, LeBron James talaga, no?
Yes, ito Sherwin Dries. Needs to step up here. Wala na dito si Colina at si Palomares. Great cut there but stolen. Ito, nasa foul.
Yes, parang nagki-careless na ng bola itong mga CIDJ right now. I guess it's because of the defense na
Yes.
ginagawa nitong Naval Force.
Yes.
Eastern na Mindanao.
Medyo malalaki kasi sila, Coach. Yung zone nila, parang man zone. So, tapos malalaki pa sila. Masyadong masikip ang court. And kung hindi ka naman sanay tumira ng may bantay, medyo mahihirapan ka talagang tumira.
Exactly, no? Because they're using their height at saka yung extension ng kamay nila kasi ang haba. So, kinakain nila yung space sa ilalim, no? That's why nahihirapan itong CIDG right now, knowing that they're not hitting a shot outside.
So, yan, ito na. Wow, what a job there by Cautivo. Ay, naku, basang-basa yan ni Antonares. Forward pa dito kay Bigaso. Ito, tumatakbo ng Philippine Navy. Bigaso! For two!
What a fearless drive by Picasso, knowing Dries is in front of him. Hindi siya natakot. He was just taking it all the way to the basket.
He knows that he can jump higher than Sherwin Dries.
Yes, at saka, Sherwin Dries is a great defender, no? Alam naman natin yan. But on that scenario, parang naisip nyo, wala na talaga siyang magawa. It's just to challenge the ball.
And he was just too deep, Coach Wa. Medyo
Yes.
kasi lalim siya ng ring. At siya kasi Bigaso. Sa free throw line pa lang, to make off na. So, I think, wala talaga siya magagawa. Hindi ma-posterize lang siya doon.
Yes. Look at the spacing, no? For the Naval, ang ganda, no? They're taking open looks. But yung kanina, hindi lang pumasok, but it was a good shot.
Yes. Ito, hindi pa napaparanda dito sa outside. Itong si Stephen Curry ng Philippine Navy. Ito si Chris Fabian. Ito na, Dalaten. Pass dito kay Rook sa bala po to!
What a great transition ng ilagawa nito ng Naval, Chris, no? Like, they're just giving a one shot for the CIDG, and if you miss that shot, they're gonna fade it off.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo naman, no? After a rebound, they're doing the pass break. Ito, another good defense na ginawa ng the blue team, no? Itong Navy. Grabe.
Ito si LeBron James entering the Latin. Wow, the egg bounce pass. Napaka-easy. Pass there, an easy shot for Rooks Abara.
Yes, tama ka dyan. When you have a good defense, easy offense will follow.
Yes. Grabe. Ganda ng quote na yung Coach Wa. Gagamitin ko yung sa team ko, Coach Wa. Yung ganyang quote. If you play good defense, good offense will follow. Wow.
Exactly.
Ito, inside pass. Rooks Abala. Jumper, and that's a miss. Rebound din by Suralta. Ito, Suralta, dire-diretso. Suralta, inside pass to Sherwin Dries against Antonares. Great defense again by Antonares.
Exactly. He challenged the shot of Sherwin Dries, no? That bothers his shot, kaya hindi pumasok, hindi gonna get the rebound. Ito na naman, Antonares for that post move. Puno.
Okay, entering the Latin for 3. That's a miss. Rebound here by Zamora. And dito kay Suralta. So, with 1 minute remaining in the first quarter, Suralta, okay, dito kay Salibay. Salibay, great footwork. Sherwin Dries, jumper, and that's a miss. Rebound by Antonares. Ito, forward pass kagad dito kay Enteng Dalaten. Almost na naman ako. Tinawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul itong si Suralta.
Yes, because hindi intention yung bola, yung pag-foul ni Peralta. Pwede niyang i-challenge yun, wag lang sana hawakan, no? That's why the referee called for idiot sportsman-like foul. And you know what? I like the way this Navy playing the game, no? Because yun nga, right after a good defense, what they get the rebound, they make the CIDU paid on a fast break,
Yes.
no? Pag nakuha nila yung rebound, takbuhan agad. And
Yes.
you can see the advantage, no? 3-1, 3-2. So, from that kind of scenario, they're taking advantage of the defense.
Yes. I think they're playing like a systematic basketball, Coach Wa.
Yes, their system is just to run. Wala naman as I can see, parang nagbara-bara lang yung laro nila but effective. Coming from a zone, good defense, get the rebound, you run, and that's it. That's simple. If the CIDG will not run down on their defense on the pass break, kakainin talaga sila nitong itong Navy pag hindi sila mag-adjust on running on defense.
That's right. Great insights there, Coach. Wow, ito, Fabian. With 10 seconds to shoot, still missing from the outside. Ito, tumira na! Ayun na! That's his first three-pointer. Itong si Chris Fabian.
It's an hit check for this Stephen Curry ng Naval. Itong si
Fabian.
Fabian, no? It's an hit check. And I guess it could be dangerous for the CIDG. Parang nakukuha niya yung rhythm niya, di ba?
Tingnan mo naman tumira, Coach. Wa.
Yes.
It's like a flick from the wrist.
Ang ganda ng backspin ng bola.
Mahirap yan natira, Coach. Wa.
Yes.
Hindi yan siya basta-basta pinaktis. Ha? Parang inborn talaga yan natira. Mahirap yan.
Parang kamay ni Bathala.
Yes. I tried to practice. Alam mo ba, Coach, when I start liking Stephen Curry in 2015, I still remember, I tried to practice his shot, but di talaga siya makuha ang kayang kopyahin na I mean, like, consistently magawa mo sa loob ng game.
Yes, mahirap talaga yan, no? Because it took a lot of effort, time to practice, no? Even NBA, PBA players, nag-extra yan. Like NBA, 1,000 shots a day yan. So, hindi mo talaga ma-blame kung if they're out, have a good look, masushoot talaga yan.
Yes. Ito, 2 misses pa sa free throw ng NSU CIDG. Napako sa dito sa 10 points, Coach Wawa.
Yes.
Almost 6 minutes na napako dito. After ng great start nila, ito, the latte great pass dito kay Dalo! And that's for 2. Ito na.
What a great two-man game. Ito na, no? Si IDG, binalik yung mga starters nila. No? Because they're having trouble with the second unit.
Ito, another steal and another pass.
Another pass. That's what I'm telling you, Cristo. Good defense starts the good offense.
Yes.
Diba? From a turnover, pass break agad. From a miss shot, pass break agad. And that's what they do right now.
Yes, and that ends our first quarter with the score of 23-10. 13-point lead by the Philippine Navy over the NSU CIDG. So, mababalik tayo after a short break para sa ating second quarter. And we're back now to our ball game with the start of our second quarter ng ating semifinals knockout game of our AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026 in partnership with the City Mayor's Office. Ako din si Chris Escara, kauban nato si Coach Wawa Lamano. And lamang dito ang Philippine Navy ng 13 points, 23-10. Naku, Coach Wawa, early turnover for the NSU CIDG. Medyo nababudget talaga sila sa depensa na itong Philippine Navy, which is, sabi mo nga, hindi naman masyadong flashy. It's just a 2-3 zone. But, bakit nahihirapan dito ang NSU?
Yes, nahihirapan itong NSU because ito nga, maganda yung pinapakitang man zone defense nitong Navy. And yun nga, shot after shot, pag shot miss, get the rebound, tumatakbo, and CID is not running for defense. That's why dito sila nabibehind. Most of the points nitong Navy is coming from a fast break, Chris. That's why they have to stop the running game of this Navy.
And
I don't believe na talent ang problema dito, Coach Wawa. Kasi nung first quarter naman, di ba?
Yes.
Run dito nung yung NSU, CIDJ, medyo yung press pa sila. Medyo nung nakafeel ng pagod konti. Ito, medyo nagminto sila sa kakatakbo. Ito na. And great defense there by the Latin.
Yes. What a great putback right there for Colina. And that's what I'm telling you, no? Even on the fast break, Navy is running, no? Never giving up. Never giving a small space in order for them to shoot that ball. But that's Stephen Curry. Grabe. Second 3-point shot of the ball game.
Grabe. Flick from the wrist. Wow. Galing ang shooting form niya. And hindi, parang hindi easy lang kanya tumira ng tres. Coach Wawa.
Yes.
Walang masyadong effort.
Look at that, oh. Look at the rotation of the defense, no? Ng Navy, no? Zona siya, pero medyo parang nag-i-extend sila.
Yes.
Look at that. May screen na binigay. And the middleman is, nag-switch. And now they're switching into a man-to-man defense. And that Kevin Love ng Davao, Rob Palomares, switched that short jumper. I guess this is the start of the CIDG, no?
So, yeah, I think they need to really to step up here. Hindi na pwedeng hayaan lumayo to ang itong Philippine Navy. Another step and carry shot na naman! That's his third 3-pointer in this ball game.
What a good recognition by the Latin and a good spacing for the Navy. No, giving a high pick once nakalusot, nag-switch, finding the open man ito agad si the Latin and hindi naman pinahiya nitong Steve Curry ng Navy, itong jersey number 31, itong si Fabian.
Yes. At eto pa, almost sa 3-pointer there by itong si Enteng Dalaten. Ano ko, N1 pa kay Bigaso. Ito, mukhang saktan pa dito si Tabat. Ito yung sinasabi ko, Chuck. This Philippine Navy team, especially itong new guys nila, they're not just settling for like easy basket yung hindi mo so bumabox out talaga sila. Ito, kita mo naman ang box out dito ni Picasso for the easy two.
Ayan. There's I guess, there's a buzzer, timeout, or I hope there's nothing serious for Tabat, no, sa kanyang para natapilok or nakatamak o tiil.
Mukhang na siya doon ni Rook Sabala during that rebound. So, mawawalik tayo after short break pass dahil sa ating timeout. So we're back now to our ball game with 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter ng ating first game ng ating semifinals knockout game between the Philippine Navy and the NSU CIDG. Ako din si Glesis Karen, kabanan ko si Coach Wawa Lamano. And dito, lamang ng still 17 points itong NSU CID, yung Philippine Navy over NSU CIDG. Ito na, grabe, N1 play dito by Colina.
Yes, kailangan niya ng CIDG. He has to be more aggressive because this is a knockout game. Chris, wala lang bukas to.
Yes, and ayaw mo naman sigurong matapos ng liga, Coach Juan, diba, na parang full of regrets.
Yes. Yes. Ito naman is not over yet because we're still in the second quarter.
Yes.
And itong CIDG, as I've said, full of veterans, especially yung coach nila. Veteranong-veterano yan. I guess there's a lot of adjustment. So, depende na lang if ma-perform ng mga players itong adjustment ni Coach Neil Bitoy. Jay ng Q Shea.
Yan. So 40-point lead here for the Philippine Navy. So ito na si Enting Dalaten, the LeBron James. Point forward na naman dito. Dalaten, kick out pass. Nako, huling-huli siya doon ni Tapia. Tapia, pass ito kay Colina. Colina, dire-diretso po dyan.
It's a back-to-back shot right now for Colina. I guess they're finding the rhythm right now. Itong CIDG. Look at their 1-2-2 defense.
And ito, Fabian, 3-pointer.
That hurts. That hurts.
Yeah, it really hurts. At saka, napakalayo din ng tira ko, Coach.
Yes, it's well challenged, no? It's a well challenged shot. Pumasok talaga yung tira. Ito, Rob Pulse. Almost a turnover. Short jumper. Yes, nothing but the bottom of the net.
So, Amolo hits that basket. Grabe po. Paano pupuntahin yung Coach? It's just 2 steps behind the free-point line.
Ayan.
It's a bad shot consider sa mga ibang players, but sa kanya, easy shot yun.
Exactly. Ito.
Aday, 3-pointer. Nothing there. Rebounded by Abala. And ito, great pass nito Juan Lunares. Ito, walang magawa dun si Rob Palomares.
There's a little push right there. That's why nag-complain itong si Palomares. Pero I guess hindi lang tinawagan ng referee.
Yes.
I guess it's too manipis. Pero, you know, it's a judgment call by the referee. But, eto. Kevin Love! Palomares loses the ball.
And nako, another offensive foul. Unsportsmanlike foul here on Tapia. Kasi walang intention sa bola eh. Yung pinagalitan siya doon ni Sir Nabor. So, it's the instant replay here. Ito, yung great defense din ni Antonares forcing a turnover. At tignan natin. Medyo, I think it's just to... Siguro sa angle ng referee.
Yes. Ano ba yan?
Ito
Hindi natin nakita yung
Fabian. Tignan mo naman tumira.
Hindi naman kasi natin open lane ba yun or hindi. Diba? Hindi naman na-explain.
Pero siguro yung intention niya kasi parang yakapin yung player.
Yes, yes.
Automatic yung tinawagan ng one. And ako, ito Montes, mutikan pa. Yun, there's no foul on Colina. Nako, tatawagan pa siya ng technical dito. Sinipa yung bola. Here's the instant replay here. Ito, hindi siya nagustuhan, walang foul tinawag. Sa kanya pa yung out. Luckily, warning lang tinawag ng Coach Wawa. I think it's frustration foul. Frustration din sa part niya.
Natentention naman eh.
Ito, Aday. Ito, joining the 3-point party ito si Aday. Ako, 20-point lead na for the Philippine Navy. Grabe.
It's a training 3-point basket, no? For the Navy. Ayan, short jumper.
And that's a great job there for Amolo. I think for me, for NSU CIDG coach, I think gagawin na dito, siguro, they need to believe themselves sa kaya nilang talunin itong Philippine Navy. Kasi pag hindi sila mag-build sa sarili nila, don't expect really them na makakambak pa dito sa larong to. Kung ganyan yung mindset nila, dapat simulan sa sarili nila na they believe that they can win, then start to play defense.
Yes, and I guess they have to adjust their defense, no? Kasi kanina pa sila nagsusona and kinakain sila sa zone defense nila eh. But you know, ayan, ang grabe naman ng possessioning. It's a good call right there. A good defense by, Colina.
But for me, Coach Hak, yung ganyang tawag, Coach Hak, minsan hindi ako agree sa ganyan. Kasi bakit always, parang disadvantage yun palagi sa mga malalaking katawan. Like, he's just standing there. like boxing out. Pero ganun talaga minsan yung tawag ng referees, right?
Yes. Actually, it's a good possession. Wala naman extended ng arc.
Yes.
Sana on our angle here, no? But we don't know anong angle ng kabilang referee na tumawag.
Ito, great job there with
I
Jim
guess
Bruno.
ito dapat si Bruno kailangan na kailangan dito because
Yes.
this guy is very aggressive both offense and defense. Hassle din to minsan sa depensa.
Ito rin sinasabi mo, Coach Chuck, yung adjustment.
Yes.
1-3-1, but ito, kinain pa rin itong si Colina ni Antunares.
Napakaganda ng high-low play, no? It's a very basic play, no? It so happened that magaling talagang mag-possession itong mga big man ng Navy.
Smart play there by Bermudez. Pinasabit lang si Tapia. Ito, penalty pa dito yung out of shooting yata yun. And that means 2 free throws here. It's a deep play here. Ito yung high-low play. Sinasabi mo, Coach,
Yes.
wow, and ito, easy basket for Antunares. Ito, napaana lang siya doon kay Colina. Walang magawa doon si Colina sa ganun kalalim.
The reason why bakit nahihirapan itong sa IDG mismatch sa ilalim at saka pag magdo-double team sila yung outside shooters naman nila pumapasok. That's
Yes.
why they really had a hard time how to defend the simple high-low play ng Navy.
And ito, great job there by Antunares scoring
Yes.
against Jim Bruno. Ito, naku, behind the back pass pa. Ay, napaganda pa dito kay Rooks Abala for 2! Wow! That's confidence, Coach Wa.
Yes. Narragate defense right there.
Ito,
No?
tinayuan lang. And that's the pass. And the top by Steve Puno to Rooks Abala. Muntikan pang na N1 for the easy 2.
Napakaganda talaga ng laro ng Navy ngayon, no? Ito, CIDG. What an extra pass right there!
Great pass there by itong Salibay to
Bruno.
kay Bruno. So 18-point lead to Coach Wa, pero I think they just need to settle down tong NSU.
Look at this, nag-switch na ng man-to-man itong CIDG. Let's see ano namang adjustment ang gagawin nila. Ayun, open na naman. What a play and what a cut by Anton Jones. Grabe, what a smart play.
So kita mo yung play doon, Coach. Wow, hinahanap na nila si Antunares sa ilalim.
Yes.
So,
Napakaganda naman kasi yung cut ng Antunares kanina.
So I think for me, kung sinong tao ni Antunares, I think tutulak mo na siya sa malayo pa lang, Coach. Right? At harapin mo siya. Ito,
Another open look.
And that's a miss.
Yeah,
Sherwin
hindi
Days
lang
with the rebound.
pumasok.
Amolo. Diretso, pass ito kay Romanilios. Pass ito kay Salibay. Salibay, left layup, no good. Great defense by the Philippine Navy. Ito na, LeBron James. Enteng Dalaten, stop up. 3-point shot. Almost. Jim Bruno with the rebound. 1 minute 38 seconds the first half. Jim Bruno for 2.
What a nice, fearless drive by Bruno right there.
So he needs to step up here for the NSU. Bermudez for 3. Oh, miss. Almost a rebound there by Antunares. Romanilios. Bigay dito kay Salibay. Or pass dito kay Amolo. Pass kay Jim Bruno. Jim Bruno, jumper! And that's a miss. And Antunares with the rebound. Bigay dito kay Dalaten. Ito, slowing things down si Dalaten.
Yes, surrender play again, no? They're really... Ayan, open na naman.
Bermudez for 3 and almost.
He has all day long to shoot that ball.
Medyo maalat si Bermudez sa outside ngayong araw. Amolo by Dalaten.
Ayan, ang problema. Kan tumatakbo itong Laka Blue.
That's a miss. Abala! And there's a foul.
What an intense game.
Ito na, si drive there ni Salibay. The extra pass to Jim Bruno. Ito. And ito, extra pass dito.
Napakaganda.
Corner pass dito kay
Ayan.
ito kay Bermudez. Itong cut dito ni Antunares.
Napakaganda ng play at ng cut. And a recognition.
Yes. So, grabe, I think, for me, Coach I think nakapag-practice talaga or nakapaghandaan talaga itong liga na to ng Philippine Navy.
Yes, kitang-kita mo naman, no?
Yes. The chemistry is there. They know what to run.
Yes.
They're not just playing like a random 5-on-5 game. So, yun yung minsan yung nakikita ko sa ibang teams dito sa AFP PNP, especially siguro. Kasi nga, duty sila, Coach Wai, iba-ibang mga location. Siguro hindi sila nagkakaroon ng chance na magkasama na sa isang practice. But itong Philippine Navy, I think, they're really, like, parang nakapag-practice na ng ilang buwan.
Yes. Napakaganda na kanilang execution, no? Not only synchronized basketball, but also the spacing itself that yung tao nila ma-open na tala. Tingnan mo naman doon, from top of the key. Oh, kaya niyang i-1-on-1 yan, Chris. Oh.
Yes. And look at the
Yan,
dribble
tingnan mo,
skills here.
driving the lane. No? Waiting
And
for
the
the
step
double
back.
team. Wala. Look at that backdoor cut and a cut right there from Abala. Kaso, nahuli.
But nakita mo yung intention, Coach Wa, right?
Yes. But a great defense and effort
Yes.
for CIDJ stopping that play.
So, yeah, meron tayong timeout. So, bumabalik tayo after a short break with 5 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Back to our ball game with 5.1 seconds remaining sa ating first half ng ating semifinals game 1. Philippine Navy versus NSUC IDJ with Navy without the ball. Ito na was 6-step and curry for 3!
What a play! And what a shot, no? Well challenged.
Cesar Fabian. Wow. That's 5 3-pointers in this ball game.
Yeah, take a look at the replay. Yan. Tingnan mo, well challenged yan, Chris.
And
Well defended, but grabe, nothing but the shot for Fabian. And
Kita mo
that's the end of the second half.
Yes, tingnan mo naman yung flick shot. Coach Pa, paano muntayan yun? Coach Pa? Kakarating lang ng bola, tinira
Quick
kagad. Pasok. Nothing but net pa for Chris Fabian. And eto na, that ends our first half with a score of 55-37. 18-point lead here by the NSUC IDG over Philippine Navy over the NSUC IDG. So, we'll be right back after a short break para sa ating second half. And we're back now to our ball game with the start of our second half, the third quarter of our first semifinals game for today for our AFP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. The game between the Philippine Navy versus the NSU CIDG, with Philippine Navy leading here by 18 points. And ito pa, pumasok pa itong tira dito ni Liamoro. 20-point lead here by the Philippine Navy over the NSU CIDG. Kasama ni si Chris Iscaran, kauban nato ang atong one and only Coach Wawa Lamano.
Thank you, Chris, no? Grabe, oh. Start pa lang ng second half. Grabe, back-to-back agad itong si Lamoro, no? It's Jovan Lamoro, back-to-back, napaka-aggressive on defense and offense.
And tingnan mo, Coach Wa, dapat nag-adjust dito ang expected yung NSU mag-adjust. But itong Philippine Navy ang nag-adjust. They play pressure trap defense.
And itong si Lamoro, first time ko nakita in today's game, no? Sa second half.
Yes.
And grabe, may ginawa agad.
And ito yung replay dito na fearless layup dito by Yamoro.
Ayan.
Basket here for Yamoro. By the way, shoutout dito kay Chris Dalaten. So tanaw dito sa good luck kay Coach Enteng Dalaten from DC Ballers family. So shoutout sa inyo diha. O shoutout dito kay Bermudez family from Jericho Bermudez. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo mga idol. Salamat sa pagtanaw. So back tayo sa itong ball game. So 22-point lead here by the Philippine Navy, but a score there by ito si Tapia, a pass there from Colina.
Yes, eto, pumasok na itong favorite player ko ng CIDJ, itong si Kim Husol, ang Luka Doncic ng Davao.
Ito na, Stephen Curry shot nito ni Cesar Pabian, ba't po, di nyo, mintes siya doon. Tinatansya na naman niya yung ring ng Chihuahua. Kain
Yes.
first quarter, ha? 4 o 3 yung miss niya sa 3 points, pero biglang 5 3-pointers ang pinasok dito ni Pabian.
Exactly.
So it's a jumper there by Palomares, and great job there by Philippine Navy forcing Rob Palomares that jumper. Medyo kailangan dapat ilapit siguro ni Rob Palomares yung tira. Ito, Abala scoring and one against itong kay Luka Doncic ng Davao, itong si Hosol.
Yes, what a great pass nitong si Fabian, no? Looking to his companion, trailing in the given extra pass, and a credit, no? Itong si Abala.
Yes, and he makes the free throw here. And ito na, a 3-point swing here by Philippine Navy. Ako, ito po yun, napakataas na 1-2-2 trap defense mo, Chihuahua. Grabe.
Yes.
Ang hirap na depensa na to.
Ito, open look for Nabor. Hindi tinira, but there's a whistle right there and a foul.
Ito yung minsan mahirap, Coach Wa, pag systematic yung depensa ng kalaban mo, tapos hindi kayo nakapag-practice ng teammates mo, mahirap yung kalabanin. Coach Wa, mahirap amuin saan ka pupunta.
Yes.
So ito, Hosol will inbound the ball here for NSU. Dito kay Tapia, is 3-pointer. And that's a miss. A great rebound there by Colina, and he scores.
What a great presence of mind right there for Colina, and kailangan talaga nila yun.
Ito,
Kasi they are trailing right now with so big point, but Abala with that big man moves underneath the basket.
grabe. Walang magawa si Colina doon. Coach Wawa, kung kahit sino itapat kay Colina, Coach Wawa, may mismatch talaga. Katawan to katawan.
Yes.
Kanina si Antonalis yung bantay niya. Ngayon si Abala is much taller and bigger for him. Ito kay Colina.
Yes, dyan sila kinakain kasi napaka yung big man talaga ng Navy.
So is Colina, Chinese, being a big man here against Antonares. Great defense sa Antonares. Ito na, Dalaten has the ball. Dalaten. Ito tumilapon
Ay,
doon si Tapia.
Napaka-yoyo moves. Veteran move. Sabi mo nga,
Yeah.
LeBron James.
That's too easy for Dalaten.
What a pass right there for Rob Palomares.
So great answer there by NSCIDG. So I think they need to really need some stops here kasi medyo nagpapalitan lang sila ng basket dito, Coach.
Yes.
Wow, and that's a no-no
Ito,
kung naghabol ka.
Okay, one-on-one move. Grabe talaga itong LeBron James na to.
Yeah, he's just playing it simple, Coach Wa. No other flashy moves. Just basic crossover, drive using his body, then easy to.
Yes.
So that's a timeout here for the NSU CIDG. He's the instant replay here of Palomares extra pass dito kay Mr. Eric Tapia for the easy 2. So, mababalik tayo after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter ng ating first semifinal game between NSU CIDG, itong Philippine Navy. Coach Wawa dominating here. So, leading by 23 big points against the NSU.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And itong CIDG ngayon, nagmaman zone na sila. Balik sila sa zona. And they're running the ball right now. Nabor. So, Tapia, Nabor. He can take it. Short.
And great defense there by Lamolo. Hinabol pa talaga niya ang Amolo. Coach ba, para meron talaga nagbabother sa tira ng NSU.
Yes, tama ka dyan. No? They're, again, aggressive. No? Not only on offense, but also sa defense nila. Tingnan mo naman, no? They're having a hard time itong side DG to take that shot. Always, no? Naka-challenge talaga itong naka-blue.
Yes. So that's really the identity of itong Philippine Navy in this tournament. They don't play flashy. They don't really do some any other defense na yun like pressure, but they just really play zone. But they really exerting effort defensively.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Chris Karen. And by the way, no, babatiin muna natin yung mga viewers natin na nanonood, no? Shout out sa mga taga Lanang Executive Homes, Empire Street, no? Kay syempre kay Kiara Evasco, kay Nora, kay Boss Sunny, also kay Angela, no? Mayong hapon sa inyo dyan. Happy viewing. And also sa lahat ng mga taga Empire Street dyan, good afternoon and thank you for supporting our AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup.
Yes, and by the way, shoutout dito sa owner of the JC Hart basketball team and the Omni basketball team, si Coach Libra Haspe and Boss John Sandro Abanid.
Ayan,
Shoutout sa inyo mga boss.
Tsaka look at the navy blue, no? They are so hot taking the outside shots.
Yes, nagkakahawa na sa pag-tira itong Philippine Navy. But ito, great job there by Tapia answering. What's a great shot there by Tapia. What is the replay here? Brought to you by the AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. Yan. By the way, shoutout dito sa atong commissioner, dito sa may entrance. Kauban si atong league director, si Sir Miggy Dita, kay Commissioner Pong Escobar. So, shoutout din si mga Sir Pong. Daghang salamat sa atong liga. Without you commissioning it, this league might not be possible. Yan. And also, ang atong City Mayor's Office, especially atong City Mayor's Davao Acting Mayor si Sebastian Baste Duterte.
Yes,
So Colina scoring here, back-to-back baskets. Ito Coach Wab, bumaba na sa 19 points. I think this will be the start for NSU CIDG, ha?
yes, it's
They're
not over yet.
Yes, mayroon pa tayo isang buong quarter at almost 4 minutes. Kung may babala ito sa at least 10 points before the start of the third or fourth quarter, and baka may iba pang, baka may chance pa manalo ang NSU CIDG dito.
Yes, tama ka. They have, in order for them na makahabol, they have to stop this running ball game by the Navy, no?
Mhm.
And dapat yung aggressiveness ng Navy, i-double up pa nitong dapat itong CIDG. And Fabian again missed that shot this time.
Antonares with the rebound. But it's okay. Oh no, great steal by Tapia. Tapia. Pass dito kay Salibay, and that's for 2. Ito na, 17-point lead na lang hinabol ito ng NSU.
Yan ang kailangan talaga ng CIDG ngayon, Chris, no? Kasi kanina, there's a lot of fast break, walang mga extra passes.
Aday. Ito kay Stephen Curry. 3-point shot! And grabe. Pinasayaw ang net, Coach Wa.
He has all day long to take that shot. He's so open and taking that shot.
Yan yung minsan yung zone buster, Coach Wawa, right? Yung corner 3 points, napaka-deadly spot na yan. Or weakness ng zone defense, especially kung mayroon ka 3-point shooter.
Exactly.
And ito, another flick shot there by Cesar Fabian. And yan, nothing but net for
So
Cesar
open.
Fabian.
Grabe.
Ito na, by the way, Pochwa, nandito na ating mga nape-prepare na ang ating teams for next game. Labanan ito ng rematch ng ating two-time championship finals games. Ang BJMP, they're always the runner-up twice. Kalaban nila ang two-time defending champions, ang Bureau of Fire Protection Region 11. Napakagandang ball game natin next game, Coach Wa.
Yes.
And by the way, bakit sila nagharap dito? Kasi ang number 1 team po ng Group A, which is ang Philippine Navy, tinalo po nila ang BJMP ng 1 point, Coach Wawa. Grabe yung larong yun. And ito na, ito po dyan, nasakta pa rin sa Libay kasi ito sa, ayun, tumama yung siko ni Rocky Antonares. Ito, tinawag pa ng second motion si Rocky Antonares. Grabe, napatawa nila si Antonares dito kasi hindi daw na sinasadya. And that's the time out is being called here for NSCCIDG. So we'll be right back after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter ng ating first semifinals game for today for our AFP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. Philippine Navy against CIDG, NSU, and itong Philippine Navy leading here by 20 points. So, naibaba na yan sa 17, Coach Wa, but ito, with the answer 3 points of Cesar Fabian, balik na naman sa 20. Ito, a chance na naman for Enteng Dalaten to make it a 22-point lead.
Yes. The Latin leading his team right from the very start. Although he's coming off the bench, but as you can see, ang dami niyang nagagawa sa court, no? Finding in the open man, hitting those go drives. Napaka simple lang ng basketball nitong si The Latin.
Yes, hindi pa yan inalabas niya yung 100% effort ni The Latin. Coach Wawa, but yeah, we will see. Mayroon pa tayong 1 full quarter and 2 minutes and 19 seconds na natitira. Colina. Tapia. Ito kay Sherwin Dries. Balik kay Tapia. Almost a steal there by the Latin.
Yes, grabe ka-aggressive talaga ng depensa nitong Navy, no? Even if, you know, ang haba na ng margin ng score, but still, no? Aggressive pa rin sila.
So after about 2 minutes and 10 seconds, Colina. Double team here. Pass ito kay Tapia. Shoots for 3. And he misses. Sherwin Dries gets the ball. Amolo. Romanilios. Inside pass to Colina. Drives. Colina! Almost an N1. So that's a foul on Antonares. So Colina will shoot 2 free throws.
You know, in this game, Colina is the heart and soul for the CIDG, no? He never gives up, even if malayo yung score, but still fighting and hoping, no? In order to cope up at makahabol and be on the game.
Yes, and he's really doing a great job playing his all in this ball game. Medyo magandang laro niya, Butch, considering they were down, but most of the points is coming from him.
Yes, exactly.
So 21-point lead here. The Latin has the ball. Ganito kay Bigaso. Bigaso jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. Ito naman, Antonares is the miss. And Bigaso on the middle. And there's a foul. And that's on Sherwin Dries. So that means 2 free throws here for Mr. Benny Bigaso. Kita mo talaga yung youth ito, Coach Wawa, no? Ito si Sherwin Dries at saka si Bigaso, Medyo, siguro, yung kapanahunan ni Sherwin Dries, Kaedad-edad si Bigaso, ganito rin yung maglaro. Ito si Sherwin Dries.
Tsaka itong Sherwin Dries, if kung naabutan mo tong pick ni Dries, no? He's a great shot blocker in the paint. And also, tumitira din dyan sa labas.
And great 3-point shot here by Romanilios. So, the lead is 18. Ito, mapaunti-unti lang ito na NSU, May chance pa sila dito. Kasi 1 quarter remaining. Steve Puro, balik kita Latin. Crossover move against Tapia. Inside pass, ito na naman yung seal dito ni Antonares. And yun, walang magawa dun si Sherwin Dries to give up a foul. Pero medyo mukhang nasaktan dun si Antonares, And he's the instant replay here. The Romanilios 3-point shot. Pinasakay pa dito itong si Cesar Pabian. Nothing but net for Romanilios.
I guess isa to sa officer ng CIDJ.
Yes. And by the way, yung sa mga nanonood po, mayroon po tayong specific rules per teams na dapat may at least isang official po naglalaro in every time sa loob ng court. So, 4 mo doon, maybe like ano mo tawag yan, Coach? Kung sa estudyante pa, kung sa student council pa, mga student.
Yes.
And yung isa doon, maybe officer, like president. Yan. So, dapat meron po palagi, may official po dapat na sa loob ng court. At isa lang ang the rest kay yung mga hindi pa mataas yung rango sa mga field nila.
Yes, tama ka. Tama ka dyan, no? And speaking of officer, yes, gusto kong i-shout out, no? Yung officer-in-chief kong idol na idol, itong si Kevin C. Ayan, sa mga tropa namin dyan sa Bibanda, Kevin C, Boss Lester Suarez, si Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Che, Ma'am Robert Salodares, si Chris Pinheiro, High Times Band, Daybreak, lahat, si Betsy, si Fe, CJ, lahat ng mga katropa ko dyan sa Bibanda. Magandang araw at good afternoon sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayan.
Suralta with another miss here. Sherwin Dries sa rebound. Ito, katatapos lang na steal ito ni Fabian. And another steal. And ito na, si Balate behind the back. To Benny Bigaso. And ito, Benny Bigaso, pinakitaan tayo ng Johnny Abarientos kind of layup.
Lumipad sa air,
Yeah, grabe. And ito, another block na defense by the Latin. Ito, LeBron James, stop up, 3-point shot. And that's good for Enteng Dalaten. That says all for this ball game for Philippine Navy. A 29-point lead, 26-point lead here by the Philippine Navy over the NSU. Tignan mo naman yung pass behind the back plus the layup ni Bigaso. Grabe, napaganda pa. Ito pa.
After a pass, ito na
Steal.
naman.
Stop up. 3-pointer by itong Enteng Dalaten. The LeBron James. Nothing but net. So, grabe pinakitaan tayo, Coach Wawa.
Nice on his veins.
And that's our third quarter. Magbabalik tayo to short break sa ating fourth and final quarter. And we're back na to our ball game for our quarter ng ating first game, semifinals knockout game for our AFP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. And this game is between the number 1 team of the Group A, the Philippine Navy, up against the number 3 team of the Group B, which is the NSU CIDG, with Philippine Navy leading here by 26 big points. Ito, muti kang sinalampak ni Bigaso yung bola. Ito na, balik kay Bigaso for 2.
Grabe naman yung dak-dak na yun. Hindi lang pumasok.
Yes. It's a facial, supposed to be a facial. Cautivo. Nahirapan dito. Ito kinabor. Inside pass. Colina. And a steal by Dalaten. So, nakuha dito ni Rob Palomares. Ba dito kinabor. Nabor. Great defense. Great offense for Mr. Nabor.
Sir Nabor can really take that perimeter jumper. He is good at it. Ito si Sir Nabor.
Yes.
It's been how many seasons he's been playing in this team?
Yes. And ako, hindi nagkaamuyan si Fabian at si Bigaso. Here's the inside play here of Nabor. Jumper over the outstretched arms of itong si Benny Bigaso. So, Cautivo. Set up yung Salibay. Dahil kay Cautivo. Nabor, pasok kay Sherwin Driss, pasok kay Rob Palomares, jumper, and that's good! Ito, yung jumper ni Palomares, Coach Wa, yung high jumping jump shot niya, napaka-effective, especially dito sa ating Davao City Recreational Center.
Tama.
So, I think that's how you shot a jump shot, Coach Wa, right? Yung high jump pasok kasi para makontrolado mo yung tira ng bola.
Exactly.
So ito Dalaten. Ganas nito ni Bigaso. Eh nako, hindi na naman nagkaamuyan. Diyan mo makikita gano'n sila kaseryoso, Coach Wa, itong Philippine Navy. Even a misplay lang ng pasa na I think they have a system that they were supposed to go on yung players pag merong misplays. Na-frustrate yung ibang mga players, especially yung mga guards nila.
Tama ka dyan, Chris. And here's a timeout. So magbabalik tayo in a short while.
Yes.
And we're back to our ball game. This is the fourth quarter with 7 minutes and 45 seconds left on the time clock.
Yes, sir. Ito na, steal pa ni Dalatin dito. Great steal in the pocket, behind the back. Layup, and that's good for ending Dalatin. Highlights naman.
Pinaganda pa, pinajelly-jelly pa.
Hindi lang ba sa jelly ko siya, pati sa dribble, ha? Grabe. Picasso for pa dito kay Enteng Dalatin for 2.
Back-to-back basket.
Grabe, ito si Enteng Dalatin. So, I think I can really prove my moniker for him, Coach Wa. LeBron James.
LeBron James.
Labor. Inside pass to kay Rob Palomares, guarded by Benny Picasso. Palomares jumper. That's a miss. So, balik ang bola ito kay Antonares with a rebound with 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. 3-pointer there by Bermudez. That's a miss. Steve Puno with a save but naubusan ng espasyo. Ito, he's the instant replay here. Ito yung behind the back pass. I mean, behind the back over the top layup by Dalatin. Grabe. Saan ka punta, boy? And ito na, yung layup na naman ni Enteng Dalatin.
Around the waist. Pagdating sa taas, sumayaw pa, binitin pa sa era. Nagkape pa.
Sarap, parang galawan mo lang nung panahon ko.
Parang sarap tuloy magkape ngayon kasi napaka,
lamig na
ginaw, lamig. Lamig ng aircon dito sa Almendras. Napakasarap. Sarap magkape.
Yes. Dalatin, ready to keep Picasso. Decides to shoot for 3. And it's a miss. Offensive board for Picasso. Kick out pass, Bermudez for 3. That's a miss too. And offensive rebound by Salibay. Pasa dito kay Tapia. Tapia against Antonares. Block na naman for Rocky Antonares. Grabe. No mercy for Philippine Navy. Okay, instant replay here. Tapia akala niyang kakalusot na siya kay Antonares. And then, there's a block. Grabe. Yung taunt pa doon ni Rocky Antonares. Hey! Sabi niya. Grabe. Tapia. Ito kay Romanilios. 4-3. And sa miss. Antonares with the board. Forward pass dito. Kay Steve Puno. Almost a steal. So 5 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. So I guess it's a 28-point lead here, Coach Wawa.
Yes.
So I guess maghihintay na lang siguro tayo ng I think time is not really on the side now for the NSU CIDG.
Yes, but naghahanap pa tayo ng spark from on their edge, no? To have naghahanap tayo ng sign kung they still wanna, have a run in this last 5 minutes and 37 seconds in the fourth quarter.
Yes, but medyo hindi na siguro kinulang talaga sila ng lakas dito, Coach Wawa. But let's give a credit talaga sa defense ng Philippine Navy.
Yes,
because they're forcing itong itong NSU CIDG to top shots. And even the layups, Coach Wawa, hinahabol nila. So they really don't want to give any easy shots. Itong Philippine Navy sa NSU CIDG.
Yes, tama ka. And on the other hand naman, CIDG is really struggling, no? Kasi they have their open looks, pero hindi talaga pa mapapasok.
Yes.
And the ball is not on their side. Yung bola is talagang mapupunta talaga sa Navy. But, credit for the Navy because tinatrabaho naman nila doing some backs out, doing some good tough defense, distributing the ball well. They have a good spacing, they have a good execution.
Yes.
Kaya ito ang score na medyo huge yung lamang ng Navy.
And ito na, is a basket there by Romanilios. So 68 to 92, 24-point lead here for the Philippine Navy. So they are wasting time here to see Enteng Dalatin. Ito nga, by the way, coming up next, ha? Maganda-handa tayo mga kaibigan. The rematch for the third time. Itong AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup, the AFP the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 11, the defending champions, up against the two-time runner-up, which is the BGMP Greyhounds basketball.
It's gonna be an exciting ball game, no? And it's a great matchup. I say the matchup of Namuwag and Masinading.
Yes.
It's a very nice to see, no? Later on, right after this game.
Yes, especially last season na si Rob Noya is unstoppable for the BGMP. Will he be still the reason why BFP will be still gonna be undefeated in this tournament along with this Philippine Navy team?
Yes, exactly.
So 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Bigaso. Kick out pass. Bermudez for 3. Still nothing from Bermudez from the outside. So forward pass dito kay Jim Bruno. And that's for 2. And timeouts being called here by the Philippine Navy with 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. So babalik tayo after a short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. And Philippine Navy is still leading here over the NSU CIDG. Almost a steal there for Philippine Navy. For NSU. So balik pa rin bola sa Philippine Navy. Forward pass dito kay Benny Bigaso. Inatasan dito ni Sherwin Dries, but Benny Bigaso makes them pay for the easy two jumper. Sabi, Coach Wa, anong insights mo dito sa larong ito, Coach Wa? And what will be should have done by NSU during the start of this ball game?
Well, napakaganda talaga ng as I've said, yung ginawa ng itong blue team in which itong Navy, no? Ang nangyari lang dito sa CIDG, they had a good start, but pag pumasok yung second unit nila, they've been struggling, and then yung and timing din sa pagpasok nitong si Dalaten, no? Nag-iba talaga yung laro ng Navy, and there's a lot of turnovers itong CIDG, and yung kanilang offense parang just only a one shot. There's no second chance points, so meaning to say the other teams dominating the rebounds, and most of offensive possession is on the Navy.
Yes, that's right. So ito ba, muntikan pang pumasok yung tira doon ito ni Bautista. So isa sa kanilang mga officers. Ito, makapapasukin na dito yung mga role key players dito ng Philippine Navy. Si
Yes.
Dalo and Lamoro. Sabi partner, Coach Wa, si Fabian nakatira naman ng 3 sa kabilang court ha. He has 6 or 7 3-pointers already in this ball game.
It's a huge number for Fabian.
Yes.
Pero ito talaga yung Dilaten, no? He is doing well, leading the team, executing the play, distributing find the open man. Grabe.
Yeah, and he can able to settle down his teammates. Ito si Dalaten. Coach Wawa.
So, couple of substitution.
Ito na, mukhang papahinga na dito si Rocky Antonares at saka si Chris Dalaten. So, papasok na dito yung mga ibang players dito ng mga Philippine Navy. Ito si Negrete ha, hindi pa pinapasok dito ng Philippine Navy. Is one of their main players ng Philippine Navy last season. Ito si Fabian. Pasa dito kay Bigaso. Naku, mukti kang pang naging alley-oop play. Yamor pass to Dalo. No good. Benny Bigaso, kick out pass. Stephen Curry, 3-point shot na naman. No good. Dalo for 2. And Jim Bruno for 2.
Bruno taking it all the way with 1 minute in the fourth quarter, and I guess it is safe to say that Navy got this ball game.
Yes. They really want to dominate this ball game. Yung pinasok nila kanina, yung mga officer nila, yung not their typical first five. After the timeout, Kuchwa, yun na yun. They
Yes.
made an early adjustment. So, that's really what happened in this ball game. Ayun, 101 points na naman ang Philippine Navy in this ball game.
Yes. The game kasi, the story of this game is, let's talk about the dominance. Dominance about the rebound, the ball possession, and it always boils down into the naval force, no? Because, alam mo, nagsusona lang sila, but one take shot lang ng CIDG, and they get the rebound, they push the ball, taking advantage of the 3-in-2 situation, 2-in-1 situation. It's easy basket. And once naka-establish naman ang position itong CIDG, they had a good execution of their play, the high-low, the pick and roll, you know, finding the open man, yung big man nagsisil sa ilalim, doing some mismatches. At pag nagdo-double team naman sa big man, they're taking the open look sa outside shots, and they're nailing that outside shot. So, they really played well itong Team Navy. That's why they won this ball game.
And that ends our ball game with a score of 103-74. A 29-point lead here, a win by the Philippine Navy over the NSU CIDG.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Chris, no? And before we end this ball game, I would like to shout out, no, yung family ko sa bahay, kay Kiara, kay Chilian, kay Sean, at sa yung mga kapitbahay namin, the Empire Street, kay Sunny Lanorias, at kay Ma'am Nora Lanorias, also kay Angela, no? And all our neighborhood is sa Empire Street, sa Lanang Executive Homes. And also, I would like to greet also yung mga katropa ko dyan sa Bibanda, kay Sir Lester Suarez, kay Ma'am Jasmine, kay Sir Robert Saludares, kay Ma'am Che, also kay Chris Pinheiro, kay Kevin C, Kevin Naang, High Times Band, Dukes, kay Fe, kay Betsy, sa lahat-lahat ng mga tropa ko dyan sa Bibanda. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Yes, and that ends our ball game. So, magbabalik tayo after for our second game, our second high anticipating semifinals knockout game. The two-time defending champions up against their two-time runners-up ng ating AFP Invitational Basketball Cup, the BGMP Greyhounds versus the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 11. So, see you a little bit para sa ating second game. Stay tuned.